Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to block someone on Twitter in 2025. Whether you're dealing with trolls, spam, or just want to curate your feed, blocking is an essential feature that helps maintain your online peace. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Twitter account. If you're on the web version, head to twitter.com and sign in. Once you're in, the next step is to find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching their username in the search bar at the top or by navigating through your mentions, replies, or timeline. Now, once you're on their profile page, look for the three-dot menu icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the Block option. Twitter might ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and hit Block again to proceed. That's it, you've successfully blocked them. After blocking, that user won't be able to see your tweets, follow you, or interact with your content. Plus, their tweets won't show up in your feed anymore. It's a great way to protect your mental health online. One quick tip: if you change your mind, you can always unblock them by going to your blocked accounts list in your settings. Just head to the Privacy and Safety section in your account settings to manage that. Remember, Twitter's interface might evolve, so always check for the latest updates. Blocking is all about taking control of your digital space, so use it wisely. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.